Hi, welcome to the AI for All channel, where we demystify AI and make AI accessible for everyone. This is the part 1 of our Getting Started series, where we will demystify what's ChatGPT and provide you with a head start in your AI exploration journey. You have probably heard of or even dabbled with ChatGPT or other similar generative AI tools. ChatGPT made its debut into this world in November 2022, and within just 5 days of its launch, attracted a staggering 1 million sign-up. But that's not all. Months after its launch, there are still over 100 million active users every month, and the number is still growing. ChatGPT has taken the tech and non-tech world by storm, transitioning us into the era of AI. Since then, things have just gotten crazier. Both big tech giants and startups are all jumping onto this bandwagon. There has hardly been a day that went by without any groundbreaking news about AI in the mainstream and social media. But is this just another hype, or is ChatGPT really a game changer? While many have tried and found it to be nothing but another glorified search engine, a small group have actually been able to reap the benefits of using it to enhance their work and personal life. What's the secret sauce? That is what we will unlock in this channel. Given the vastness of this topic, we will be breaking this down into bite-sized videos. This way you can dedicate just 5-10 minutes each week to stay updated and ensure you're not being left behind in this rapidly changing landscape. Our mantra is AI won't replace you, but someone who knows AI might. Our aspiration is to help you be that someone. All right, let's dive into our first session. In this session, we will walk you through the 5-step process in getting the most out of your interactions with ChatGPT. In the subsequent sessions, we will be diving deeper into each step. ChatGPT is more than just the latest AI buzz, it's a game changer. But why is ChatGPT causing such a stir? There are 2 key reasons for that. Number 1, ChatGPT is a machine that communicates with you. It's not you who has to understand the machine, it's the machine that understands you. The power of AI is no longer confined to the experts like data scientists. It's now universally available to mere mortals like you and me. Number 2, ChatGPT is an answering machine. Unlike traditional search engines that give you a list of links, ChatGPT dives deep and provides direct answers. Ask ChatGPT, "Explain machine learning to me like I'm 10, and you will receive a tailored response. What are some of the things that ChatGPT is capable of? It's really limited by your imagination. From content creation, generating marketing ideas, telling stories, providing detailed explanations of complex topics, coding assistance, troubleshooting, to acting as a learning companion. Its capabilities are bounded by your creativity. We will be exploring many of these in our upcoming sessions. While ChatGPT is capable of anything and everything, like any new technology, it also has got its limitations, and its usage has also given rise to many concerns. Among these are reliability of the answers that it provides, as the responses are based on data that it has been trained. Along with that are biasness, ethical, security, and other concerns. Another key concern is that it can hallucinate. It may not know when it's wrong and still insist that it's right, very much like how we behave at times. Again, we will be diving into these in greater details in our upcoming sessions. The second step in getting the most out of ChatGPT is understanding what you want. Most of us think we know what we want, but do we really? Before diving into ChatGPT, take a moment to reflect. What's your end goal? What are you trying to achieve? Are you looking for a detailed report, a witty tweet, or maybe some creative inspiration? Knowing your destination will make the journey smoother. It's like going to a vast library. If you know the exact book you're looking for, you'll find it much faster than wandering aimlessly. Building on our previous point, once you've got clarity on your goal, it's time to translate that into a question for ChatGPT. Context is the king here. Think of it as asking for directions. The clearer you are, the better the guidance you'll receive. For instance, instead of asking, "Tell me about AI," a more precise prompt would be, "I'm researching medical tech advancements. Can you provide an overview of AI applications in healthcare, especially its role in diagnosis and treatment, along with potential future developments?" This specificity helps ChatGPT provide a more targeted and relevant response. And don't worry, we'll be diving deep into the art of crafting prompts in a future video. A quick tip, start broad and then narrow down your prompt based on the responses you get. Now that you got your response from ChatGPT, great, but don't stop there. Think of it as a dance. Sometimes you lead, sometimes you follow. Refining your prompts based on the responses you get is part of the dance, ensuring you get the outcome you desire. It's like baking a cake. The first time you might not get it perfect, but with adjustments and tweaks based on the outcome, you'll get closer to the perfect recipe each time. The final step is learn and grow. Mastering ChatGPT is like mastering any skill. It takes practice, patience, and a willingness to learn. The more you interact, the better you'll get. And who knows, you might just become the next ChatGPT maestro. Keep track of your interactions. Note what works and what doesn't, and continuously refine your approach. Remember, perfect practice makes perfect. So, there you have it, the 5 steps for getting the most out of your interactions with ChatGPT. But how do I remember these steps? Don't worry, ChatGPT has got you covered. Try using this rhyme suggested by ChatGPT. Know the bot, understand your thought, craft a lot. Refine what you've got, learn from the plot. All right, that's a wrap for now. But stay tuned because we're just scratching the surface. We have got some deep dives coming your way. You won't want to miss out. Now that you know the 5 key steps for maximizing your interactions with ChatGPT, how might you apply this? Let us know in the comments below. If you find this video useful and insightful, please help to spread the word so that more people can benefit from it. Remember, AI won't replace you, but someone who knows AI might. Our aspiration is to help you be that someone. We will see you in our next video.